Hey everybody, this is Diane again, and this is the results of the canned beans that I did earlier. I was gonna do it videoing me taking it out of the canner, but I got some really helpful critique on the last video that I did, and I know that me holding the phone is kind of shaky, and I've been kind of shaky. That's me. My back is out, and I'm not really steady on my feet right now. So I have to hold on to something and hold the phone at the same time. And when I'm doing a canning video and I'm demonstrating something, it's really hard to do both. But I'm trying. And I do have a tripod for my camera. My phone is what I use, but it's packed still. So I really appreciate the critiques. I really do. I mean, honestly, I really do. Because I'm new at this. I've only been doing it for about a year and a half, and I know it looks a lot better when somebody else is holding the camera and videotapes me, or videotapes. Wow, showing my age here. Okay, so not videotaping, filming with a camera. Let's get that right. Anyway, so wanted to show you the results of the beans, and I wound up adding 3 more jars of beans. And like I said earlier in the first video I did, these are the beans that you guys saw me doing. You saw the jars. I had put the water on, and then I put the seals on them and everything, put them in the canner. Well, I was 3 short. So I wanted a full canner. And if you remember, I told you I had another bag of beans, which are these. So I went ahead and I did 3 jars of those. And they're a little bit bigger. You can kind of see the difference. Let's see if I can, oh gosh, that's hot. I just took them out, guys. Literally just took them out. So you can see the difference. I can see the difference. I hope that you guys can see the difference. Let me try to steady this. The one on the left is a bigger bean, and I also put onions and sea salt in the jar. So I do that a lot when I want to do refried beans. But the other ones that I showed you today, I'm not sure, like I said, if I want to do chili with them, refried beans, just beans on the side. There's a lot of uses for beans. So now I feel a lot better because I had no beans, and now I have all of these. So let's see, what did we get out of this? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 pints, and I still have enough probably for another 5 jars. So yeah, there you go. So those will be going in my new pantry. We have a pantry set up in the garage, and I will be showing you guys a tour of that as soon as I go through my empty jar boxes that are in there, which are mostly in there right now, and putting the new food in there. And also in my in-home pantry, which I have, which is kind of big. It's bigger than what I had before. So you still see my asparagus right there. I haven't used it, and my broccoli. I'm going to be doing a video on what I'm making for dinner in just a little bit, and I'll probably put that up later on today. And then the chicken chunks, the chicken chunks video will be up tomorrow. It's already done, but it's going to be up tomorrow. So I hope you guys like this, and let me know what you think, what I can do better, what I'm doing right, and what you want to see me can. So I know what I have to do to get my food storage back up, but I want to know what you guys want to see me can as well. And I know you can see the lemons still sitting over there, and they just are screaming to say, they're saying, make me lemon curd. So that'll be soon. I know I have a full, brand new, unopened box of jelly jars that I have not found yet. So this is my life after moving. It's a little chaotic, and we haven't found everything yet, but it's all here. Yeah, so thanks for coming along on the journey with me and being patient. I love each and every one of you guys, and thank you all for subscribing and watching. And and letting me know how you feel about things, because I do appreciate that. Good or bad, I want to hear it. So thank you. I really mean that. Thank you. Okay, stay tuned. There's more videos coming. See you later.